How to fix EA your credential have expired. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the EA error. Your credential have expired. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here, step 1, that is to reset password. So for most users, the issue can be resolved by simply resetting your EA account password. So here simply go to the sign in page, and here, once you are in the sign in page, you will see the interface like this. So here, simply click on forget your password, and after that, simply request the password reset link. And after that, just follow the instruction in your email to set a new password. And if that doesn't fix it, or you already have tried it, here is another method that often works. So here, step 2, that is to clear your browser data. So just click on the three dot icon shown in the top right corner of the screen, and once you click on it, a pop-up menu will appear. From that menu, simply scroll down, and there you can see the option labeled as history. So simply click on that. And now here, once you are inside the history, just click on delete browsing data. And once you click on it, a pop-up menu will appear. From that menu, simply select time range, and after that, from the pop-up menu, simply select all time. And here, once you have selected that, make sure that the three boxes are checked, which is browsing history, cookies and other site data, cached images, and files. And once you have checked on all the three options, you can simply click on delete data. And after that, you can restart your browser and try signing into EA again. And for many users, this resolves the issue, but if it doesn't, then resetting your password might still be necessary. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.